Hey, what's going on? In this video, I want to show you how to return JSON data from your Flask app. So we're going to look at two cases. The first is returning an array of objects, and the second one is just returning one object by itself or one dictionary. So let's go ahead and take a look at this Flask app in the browser. Let's test this first route here. And here we go. All right, so we get this error here, type error, the view function did not return a valid response. That's because we're trying to send a Python list right to the browser. So we can fix this very quickly by importing one more thing from Flask, which is JSONify. So this is built into Flask. No need for a third-party module here. And then down where we're returning our list or our array, we can just wrap it in JSONify. So let's save this and test our route again. And there you go. We now are getting valid JSON back from our API. And if we look at this in the network inspector, we can see this right here has a content type of application JSON. All right, now let's take a look at returning a single object back from Flask as JSON. And here we have this example here. So let's take a look at this in the browser before we do anything. And it actually works out of the box. So as long as you're using Flask version 1.1.0 or higher, it will automatically convert the dictionary to JSON when it's returning it in a view. But if your version of Flask is less than 1.1.0, then you can just do the same exact thing where you wrap it in JSONify. And this is forwards compatible as well, of course. So it still returns it as JSON here. And if we look at it, right here, we can see that the content type is application JSON. So that's all you have to do to get your Flask app to return information as JSON. And if you're wondering how my JSON looks formatted like this in the browser, I'm just using a Chrome extension called JSON View to do that. All right, that's all for this video. I hope that was helpful. If you want to see more videos on Python, Flask, and API development, then make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.